What's up, world? It's your boy Third Eye again. Third Eye 33. a.k.a. songbird in the house. I was just sitting here reminiscing and thinking about the other day when I was at work and my partner, he gave up a very important question. And it makes a lot of sense when you sit down and think about it. He said, bro, you know what? What happened to all the old crackheads? You know, the ones that'll fix your car for $20 and man, it was unstoppable things that they would do for that $20, you know? But they gone now. These new crackheads now, they lazy. They ain't worth a cuss. All they want to do is get high. Can't get them to do nothing now. They want your money, but they don't want to do nothing. So I asked the world this. Where is the old crackhead? Where is the old crackhead? The one who will fix your car for $20 and for an extra $5, clean your yard. Y'all don't hear me. Let me say it one more time. Where is the old crackhead? Where is the old crackhead? The one who will fix your car for $20 and for an extra $5, clean your yard. Where is the old crackhead? Where is the old crackhead? The one you'll offer $20 and your yard will surely be clean. I said, where is the old crackhead? Where is the old crackhead? For $20, you can get your coffee. For an extra $5, he'll get your yard. Where is the old crackhead? Where is the old crackhead? We need him back to keep us clean. And we need him back to fix our car. Man, we need that old crackhead back, baby. These new crackheads on these new drugs, they don't care about cleaning your car, washing your car, keeping your windshield clean. They don't care about none of that. Keeping your yard clean for extra $20. I mean, I seen a time where, $25 with an old crackhead, you get the job done. Y'all think about that. Third Eye TV 33, Songbird in the house.